What up, folks? Greenhorn Electical here, and if you don't have it, you gots to get it. That's none other than Ugly's electrical reference guide. This thing is sick. It has everything you need to know for an electrical installation. It has calculations for series, parallel, and combination circuits. It has Ohm's law. It has stuff about motors and drives. It has stuff about conduit bends. It has ground sizing. What? It's literally everything you need in a nice, compact volume that, as you can tell, is completely indestructible. If you don't have it, put down the knife and fork and leave the family and go start the car up and go pick it up. If you have a copy like mine, leave the girlfriend or the boyfriend at the movie theater, ditch the popcorn, get in your car, and go pick one up.